Hey, listen to this. Every day that you are not talking to people, you are just a civilian. You are not a real estate entrepreneur. And I'm not talking about owning all these properties and being a big mogul and getting all this passive income. I'm talking about what this channel is all about, which is sourcing deals. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to go over 10 beliefs that world-class real estate entrepreneurs have versus what the average real estate civilians have. Here we go, baby. Boom! Hey everybody, it is Brent Daniels and I got a new podium because I take a lot of notes that I want to share with you guys. I think about it at night. I have these conversations with my TTP students around the country, with some of you guys on this channel, and I put together what is the most value that I can in these videos so that you can stay focused on sourcing deals, so you can stay focused on having quality conversations with distressed property owners, because that's what this is all about. That's what this channel is all about. This channel is making you a world-class source of these deals, okay? This is sourcing these deals from nothing. This is you going out in your community and finding the opportunities. And we know that when you find the opportunities, that's when you are in the driver's seat. This is where you have every opportunity. I don't care if it's wholesaling, I don't care if it's flipping, I don't care if it's building up your legacy, whatever it is. But here are the 10 world-class beliefs that you have to have versus what the average person has, okay? You ready? Number 1, I am incredibly lucky to have the opportunity to talk to distressed property owners. That's what the world-class people think. I am so lucky to have the opportunity to be able to do this. Do you know what the average person thinks? The average person says, I don't really like talking to people, but I have to. Right? Do you see the big difference there? One of them, it is an opportunity. It is you feel fortunate to be able to do this, to have the opportunity to be able to talk to distressed property owners versus I don't really like to, but I will because I've got goals and I got to do stuff and I want to be I want to get out of my job. I want to be in real estate. There's a big difference there. Number 2, I am absolutely the best person to solve this property owner's problem. It's that confidence that you have to have, the belief that you have to have that I am the absolute best at this. I am the absolute best person in the market to be able to solve this person's problem versus what I see so common as, there's so much competition out there. There's so much, I feel like I'm just a commodity. I'm just going to give an offer and somebody else is going to give an offer and whoever they like better is going to get it, or whoever gives them more is going to get it. No! The belief of world-class real estate entrepreneurs says, I am the absolute best for this person, and goes with that confidence every single day. Number 3, I have access to everything I need to be able to talk to people. Okay, I have the confidence, I have the skills, I have the abilities, and I have the voice to get the job done. That's what a world-class person says to themselves. That's the belief that a world-class person says, is that I've got everything that I need right now. You know what the average person says? I hope I don't screw this up. I hope I don't screw this up, right? Does that go through your head sometimes when you're out there, when you're picking up the phone or before you're picking up the phone? Does that belief cross your mind? Or get rid of it now. Be world class here. You have to believe that you have the skills, the abilities, the voice to be able to help people in your community. Boom. Page 1. Number 4. Being kind and optimistic is more important than being perfect. Being kind and optimistic is much. Brent, I don't want to call people. Well, let's go to the average. I will watch. This is what the average person does. I'll watch more YouTube and listen to more podcasts before I even get started because I need to know more. I don't want to look stupid. I need to be perfect at this. I need to understand if a seller says something to me, I know exactly how to respond. No, listen to me. Being kind and optimistic is more important. It's more powerful. That is what world-class people truly believe. They don't let anything stand in their way. They're taking action right now. Just like Tom Kroll says, progress, not perfection. Fail forward in this. But to be able to do that, you have to take massive action every single day. That's called being world-class, baby. Number 5, man, I feel great today. I hope you guys are feeling great today. I feel totally pumped up. So number 5, when you're getting on the phone and you're having those conversations, the belief is, you are my next deal. You are my next deal. Versus what an average is, I hope they don't pick up. I hope they don't pick up. Ring, ring, ring. I hope they don't pick up. Versus ring, ring, ring. Oh, this is the next deal right here. I've got it right here. And you go with that enthusiasm every single time. This is my next deal. Versus I hope they don't pick up. Which one are you? Number 6, no one and nothing in my life will stop me from my goals. That's a belief. That's what you got to put in every single day. Versus, this is so boring. I don't have much time for this. I just can't find the time. I'm so exhausted. I don't have the time to be able to do this. A lot of people are being negative. People are telling me that, real estate's really hard and that I shouldn't even try because, in the downturn, people lost all their money and that's going to happen to me and that's going to happen again. And no one, world-class superstar real estate entrepreneurs know and believe that no one can stop them from achieving their goals. No one. Got it? Put it in your mind. Number 7, this is money time. When you're getting ready to pick up the phone and to make these calls, this is money time. This is money time. This is your chance to have quality conversations with distressed property owners. This is money time. Do not let anything distract you. This is money time. This is the best use of my time. As opposed to, I wonder what new marketing tool I can get or what's out there that's going to help me not talk to as many people. No. When you pick up the phone, listen, on this channel, you have all the resources you need. You know where to find the lists. You know where to go to get the contact information. You know the resources to use to be able to make a lot of calls or to just pick it up and dial yourself. You can even email me, Brent at Wholesaling Inc, and get the script of what to say. You've got everything there for you. This is money time. I want to take out every obstacle that you have in your mind that tells you that I can't make these calls because there is no excuse. You know that watching this channel. There's no excuse. So there is no magic thing. There's no magic marketing tool that's going to get you $1 million in deals or just deals on deals on deals and get you where you want to go. There's just not. If there was, everybody would use it and then it'd be saturated, right? So pick up the phone, do the hard work, talk to people, baby. That's what this is all about. Number 8, having quality conversations with distressed property owners. Listen to this. Having quality conversations with distressed property owners is 1,000% more fun than being broke. So I love this one. 8. I'm sorry, I circled this one. This one I really love. It is 1,000 times more fun than being broke versus the average. Well, it's 2019. There should be an easier way. There should be an easier way. No. It's putting in the work. It's talking to people. It's that simple. It's the whole philosophy of this channel. Talk to people. Talking to people every single day is 1,000% more fun than being broke. There's no argument there. You can't argue that. Number 9. We're almost there. 2 more. Number 9. One great conversation can completely change my financial future. Literally, you're one call away from $10,000, $5,000, $20,000, $50,000 deals. I get posts all the time in my private TTP cold calling group, in my Facebook group, of people posting checks, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 from one phone call. $78,000 from one phone call, $100,000 from one phone call. It's literally one phone call away from changing your financial future. Because you pay off all your debts, all your student loans, all your car payments, your mortgage, all these things. Like, one call away versus what the average say. Well, how many people do I need to call to get a deal? What? How many people do you need to call? You're one call away from it. I don't know when it's going to come, but I know for certain if you're not making the calls, it's definitely not going to come. But you're one call away from changing your financial future. And that leads us, drum roll, to number 10. You must be in game mode every TTP session. You gotta be at your game mode, right? This isn't practice. This is the NBA Finals. This is the Super Bowl. This is Wimbledon, right? This is the Masters. You gotta be on game mode when you're making these calls. If you are half in, half out, you're wearing the hat of I'm a dad over here, the kids are talking in the background, and there's distraction, or I'm doing my full-time corporate job over here and I'm trying to make these calls and I'm distracted by all these things, it's not going to happen. That's not what world-class superstar real estate entrepreneurs do. It's not. They are focused, and that time is so important that they make those calls. They carve it out of their schedule. I already did a video of the 168 hours that we have in a week. You have the time to do it versus what the average say, which is, well, I'll just make up for it later. I'll just, you know what, my throat feels a little sore today. I'll call tomorrow. I'll make it up. I'll do more on the weekend because I just don't, I got this game to watch. It's March Madness. It's I got to watch this, whatever. I got to do something else. I got to be distracted by something else. I have some other priority that's more important. That is not what world-class real estate entrepreneurs believe. World-class real estate entrepreneurs believe that every TTP session, every time they pick up the phone, every time they're talking to distressed property owners, it is game time because it could change like that. So look at these 10. Look where you're at. Trust me, I've been there. I've been on the average side a lot. I was on the average side before things started really clicking. And then all of a sudden, you start building this momentum. You start getting on to the left side of the page where the world class is at, where the world class hangs out at, right? Those 10 beliefs. It is a belief system that you have to do. I'll give you all the techniques, all the resources, all the tools, all the encouragement, all the enthusiasm, everything that I can, all the energy that I can. But if your mindset is not there, if your mindset is not world class, you're going to just do little deals here and there. You're just not going to ever take action. You got to change your belief system. You change your belief system, you will change your financial future. This is it. If you are ready, let me plug this just a second. If you're ready to join the most proactive group in real estate investing, you got to go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP, set up a call. I'd love to mentor you personally. Until next time, guys, I love you. Work on those beliefs. You're the best. See ya.